Gay marriage is wrong, unacceptable, it's against God's law, it's against nature, and any human being with any sort of common sense should know better. Even the monkeys in the jungle know better, even the beasts of the forest know better, even the trees and the animals know better, the butterflies and the bees, they all know better.
Since the 1969 Stonewall riots, gay rights have constantly been in and out of the media, as homosexuals everywhere have been fighting for equality. In February 2013, history was made, as Britain joined 12 other countries in allowing same-sex couples to legally marry. Many different opinions have arisen on whether or not this was a step in the right direction.
I'm against it because of the religious values being brought up with.
Not really a fan of it.
But living in this day and age and the society we're in, everyone has a say in what they do.
Same-sex marriage, I've got nothing against it whatsoever, being gay.
Some people who are more modern wouldn't really care about it, like myself.
Well, my opinion on homosexuality in Britain is that I don't support the new laws to allow homosexuals to get married. I'm worried that it'll lead to a higher rates of divorce and things like that, because I'd say gay, in particular men, would tend to be more promiscuous, and that could lead to a higher divorce rate, and they may further devalue the institution of marriage. I support UKIP. Obviously they want to leave the European Union, but they're also against gay marriage.
I'm Emma Turner-Lindley.
And I'm Gemma. I was the LGB officer at Leeds Trinity, and you turned up to one of the meetings, didn't you?
I did.
And that was it, really. We went out for a drink afterwards. It was all a bit, I quite like her, but I don't know what to do. But yeah, this friend was, he just kind of pushed us together, didn't he? Like, look, you like her, just have a snog. And that was it, really, wasn't it?
Yeah. We've been together for almost 12 years.
Mm-hmm. Too long.
I think we probably would have preferred a traditional church wedding. I don't think I would have been as bothered one way or the other, but I know it was more important to you. So, yes, I think we would have done if we'd had the choice.
Yeah.
I'm Stuart Andrew, I'm the MP for Pudsey constituency. Legislation is still going through Parliament to enact same-sex marriage legislation, which will basically mean that same-sex couples will then be able to have a proper civil marriage should they wish to do so, rather than just a civil partnership.
I wouldn't say we do really support one political party more than another. I really try to stay out of politics, it just annoys me too much. We have been keeping an eye on the passing of the law for gay marriage, obviously, with a vested interest. I do think it will still be a long time before anything happens, but it's nice to see that we're finally on our way. It's progress for us as a country. We'll be joining a lot of other countries and states in passing of the law, but I do think it will still be some time before it's a non-issue.
Gay marriage? Fine, live and let live, yeah.
Yeah, if that's what they want and they're happy and they could say the same about us. Why do we want to get married? It's personal views, isn't it, really?
I spoke about this in the chamber. You know, I spoke about how I grew up in a small village in Wales and joked that I literally felt like the only gay in the village. And, you know, it was quite a challenging environment to grow up in, and to actually admit that you were gay. There was still a lot of stigma, a lot of prejudice, and it was, you know, quite a challenge. But if I look at how things are today, it really is a different world.
Our choir is called Gay Abandon. It's a group of anywhere between 50 and 70 members. We're a mixed gay and lesbian choir, and the choir's been running for about 13 or 14 years now. We aim to do at least one large concert per year, and we occasionally sing at civil partnerships.
We've done all sorts over the last few years, haven't we? We've been to Berlin, we've been,
Paris Pride
we sang
last year.
At the Jubilee concert last year, didn't we?
For the Olympic torch ceremony. So we get around a bit.
Yeah.
I think this is, you know, another step on that road to real equality, where we're sort of saying, you know, actually what matters is, you know, that you love someone, not who you love or where they come from. That's the difference, and I think if we as a society can say that's what we're endorsing, that's what matters.